Literacy includes phonics, learning to associate sounds with letters, and learning vocabulary words using multi-sensory strategies. For example, clapping out the syllables or students placing a hand under their chin, feeling their chin drop each time a syllable is pronounced. Let's look into a classroom at Georgestone Elementary School located on the campus of Union Adventist University and see this particular strategy being implemented.
Now, we have talked about how words have what? Beats. So, we can clap out words. We can tap out words. There are different ways we can talk about beats in a word. Now, the big time word, it's kind of like a $5 word. It's called syllables. Together, syllables. All right, syllable is the beat in a word. I'm going to move this guy down here. Okay, now, remember, vowels do what? They open. So we have like our A vowel, ah. What position? Ah opens. But when we do b, what happens to our mouth? B. Does it open? Can I say b with my mouth open? No. So, focus. So, vowels open your mouth, consonants close your mouth. Okay? So let's put our hands under our chin. Okay, we're going to say angel. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Angel. How many times did our mouth open?
2.
2 times. Yes, thank you. 2 times. So, how many syllables does angel have? Angel. Abel? 2 syllables. And a lot of times, if you were to look angel up in the dictionary, it shows you the syllables. But what it does, sir, what it does is, it just separates them. Okay? So there you can see both syllables. Angel. Let's say it again. Angel. 2 times. All right, are we ready?
Yeah.
Let's do ready. Ready.
Ready.
How many times?
Ready. 2.
2 times. So how many syllables, Lucas?
2.
2. So we have all right. There's the 2 syllables. Okay? Hands up. Story.
Story.
Hold up. How many? I want to see numbers. Story.
Story.
Re. How many?
2. 1.
Good, Ivy. Good, Owen. Look at my mouth. Story.
Story.
Well, then let's clap it out. Story. Ready? Story. How many?
2.
2. Okay, so now we're going to learn our vocabulary words that go with our book. Okay, so obviously our first word is Lucas.
Angel.
Angel. So we're gonna put Angel right in here. Okay. All right. And angels want us to be, Scarlett?
Ready.
Ready. Well, all together?
Ready.
Thank you. All right. And these are a part of Abel? Story all together.
Story.
Okay. I'm going to go a little out of time because listen to this word and tell me which one it sounds like. This word is glory. Which word rhymes with glory? Amelia?
Story.
Story, yes. Okay. And then this kind of looks like two words, but it's not. Okay. We have always. All together?
Always.
All right.